halo lighting. We'll begin under the hood. Behind the light housing, you can access the turn signal socket. You can reach the socket and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. This extra long piece out the back makes the socket easier to remove. You can just pull that piece off the bulb socket. In case you pull that piece off while it's still installed, don't worry. You can still reach the bulb socket with your fingers or a pair of pliers to remove it. To remove the incandescent bulb while turning it counterclockwise. Install the LED by pushing it in and turning it clockwise. Line up the larger tab at the 10 o'clock position and the smaller tab at the 4 o'clock position. And turn it clockwise to lock it. And see there's no hyperflashing. Now we can repeat those steps on the other side. Turn the socket counterclockwise to unlock it. We'll use some pliers to remove it. Remove the incandescent bulb by pushing in and turning counterclockwise. Replace with the LED bulb by pushing it in and turning it clockwise. You'll need to line up the smaller tab at the 10 o'clock position, and the larger tab will be at the 4 o'clock position. Install the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. These amber yellow LED bulbs work great behind the clear lens on this car. This LED bulb is also canvassed, with no error codes, flickering, or hyperflashing.